We are going to unbox the MJX Hyper Go 16207 RC car, and I ordered this from Banggood and it got delivered in 2 weeks. So let's unbox. It's a buggy style RC car and it's a blue color. So I will open the box now. So you can see the box is quite good. The packaging is also good. So I will open that. And this is a 3S supported RC car. In this, I can use 3S LiPo battery, and it's a two battery version RC car. So I will take out the car. You can see how pretty the car is. It's quite heavy also, and the blue color, blue and white tone is quite good. So I will take out the remote control for this, and it has the basic function. It's not very multifunctional transmitter, but yeah, it has all the basic functionality to run the car, like throttle, brake, reverse, steering left, right, and we have like throttle trim and steering trim also. So it uses two AA battery. I will put that. There is a screw inside that, so I will open and I will put the battery in that. So in this box, I got rear. So this battery, you can see it's a 3S LiPo battery, 2200 mAh, and one I got in this box and one is inside the car. So this car, I will fit the rear spoiler and the wheelie bars. So first open the shell and we'll see how the electronics are in this car. So it's quite good. It's you can see the brushless motor, ESC, receiver, servo, and the battery. So battery is a like clip system battery in this. We don't have a strap to tie the battery inside this car. So it's a Dean plug battery, and I have connected the plug with the battery, and it's push back battery clip function is there in this car. So I will push it back and I will clip it. So now you can see it's good. Now I will take out the rear spoiler. It comes with two screws which is needed to fit in this car, and we have the rear wheelie bars also. So like this car is quite fast and it will do backflips. To prevent that, we have this wheelie bars in this. So it has three screws in this. So now I will put these two parts in the car and I will show you how it looks. So now I'm fitting the wheelie bars and then I will put the rear spoiler, because wheelie bar can be fit first and then you can put the rear spoiler because it will block the screw. So guys, this is unboxing video of this small 1:16 scale RC car. So please do comment and let me know which car you want next on my channel. And if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and keep supporting us so that it will encourage us to create more videos and bring it to you. So I will test this outside and I will share you the review of this car. I heard it's a very fast car, and I will share you all the reviews in the upcoming videos. So please do share, subscribe, and like. So now I'm putting back the body clip on this and I will show you the final look of the car. So keep watching. Thank you.